everyone, and welcome to Road Trip, or Merge Road Trip, as the cool kids are calling it. No. Alright, just make sure this is recording. It is, yeah, I'm ready. Yo, I love that all the characters in these games look like Pixar princesses, you know what I mean? Yo, I'm so ready for this event. Here I am ready for my road trip. Your road trip's over, you've arrived at the city. Alex, are you sure you want to meet your brother here? The movie theater has been abandoned for a long time. That's right, Michael. Peter called me this morning. He was very scared and asked me to come as soon as possible. After jerking off and coming, I realized that's not what he meant. Bit of an awkward moment for me, you know what I mean? I see. Tell me more about that. Michael, I'm afraid he's in trouble. Yo, Michael, you there? Help. Just like runs into the mist. He's like in there. Naked with his legs spread open. It's Peter, come on. Tap on the obstacle to clear it, even though the other guy didn't need to clear it. Sure, awesome. So this really isn't a road trip at all then. Well, you did have a road trip. It was just like after the case, you know what I mean? Psh, psh. Peter, can you hear us? No one answers. Michael, what should we do? Well, first of all, don't say no one answers. Where do I look for my brother? I think he's down my pants. Maybe I check it out, you know what I mean? Nah, he wouldn't be hiding under that thing. Why's that? Too heavy for him? No. Oh, you mean the other thing? No, it's good. It's normal. It's regular size. No panic, there's tapes in Peter's stuff. How did you get into Peter's stuff? Oh, there's that Peter's stuff there. Yo, well, there's a lot of pornography. Yeah. There's tapes in Peter's stuff. We need to see what's on them. There should be a projector in the movie theater. Is this... It says something like... My dog collection? Don't know what that means. Sure. Why would my brother be taking pictures of dogs? Why mainly of them, like, in these erogenous positions that he's put them in? I'm learning a lot about my brother today. This is not a projector, but a tin can. Some items can be found only on the merge field. The merge field? Whoa. You found the right item. Yep, cool. Good job. I'm getting over my problems that are like, you know, my brother's into animals, but like the real ones, not furries. The bulb in the projector burned out. Yeah, go take out the damn thing. Do you reckon, like, I should tell the police about this? He's already gone missing. Good point. I hope the tapes will show what he was looking for. I'll try and repair the screen. We won't see anything while it's like this. Sure, we'll fucking get to work then, dipshit. Screwing around over here. Okay, so generally, what am I expecting? What do you expect me to do? Find. Here, see the rewards. Tap to claim. Sure, look at that. A period cup. Like that's what that was, right? No quit. I don't even know if a period cup's real. I remember hearing that term once. Also, why are you talking about this? Well, sometimes I get bored, you know. Nothing better to think about, you know what I mean? Except for women's periods. It's an interesting subject. I don't know much about it, you know what I mean? Imagine some people. I guess Peter has interfered in somebody else's business. And now he's in danger. What the fuck? That's terrifying. Well, but looks like Peter's in trouble with a gang. Whatever. Let's make a table and study your brother's papers. Maybe that'll help us understand where we should look for him. Maybe over here? Awesome. Okay, what's the okay? Well, he's not under these planks. Yeah, obviously. Alright, we're on the same page. The boards will make a nice table. I'll find us some chairs. That's literally, you could use the stage. You don't like to look at the papers, you know what I mean? You don't have to use an actual table. Especially not, there's a table right here. That's stupid, that's so dumb. That is so dumb. Sure, here I am. What do you mean you don't want to lie on the Parker lounger? He's working. So leave him to work, you know what I mean? What do you want me to do? What are you expecting of me here? Well, I'm done with that. Sure, let's have a look at this. Sure. Out of space in the field. Yeah, no fucking shit. Thanks, I'm glad you made me do that. Yo, thanks so much for doing that for me. To me, specifically. You need this item to complete. What do you think I've got? You need this item, sorry? To complete the task. Excuse me? What are you talking about? Oh, okay, I gotcha. Nice table. I'm glad we went to all that effort. There's nothing in the notes, just a mention of your family's summer house in Pine Hills. I thought it was empty. Yeah, well, I'm definitely not responsible for anything. I didn't say you were. Yeah, well, like, you know, just because it's my house, I thought you might be getting suspicious. And I can't be having that, you know what I mean? Why? Peter has been living there for the last few months. If there's anything we can learn about his affairs, it's the Pine Hill. Let's go. I'm so glad I'm traveling with this guy. He's going to make a great road tripper. Yo, he's going to make a great road tripper. Let's go to Pine Hills. Yo, the road trip really is getting started now, you know what I mean? I haven't visited Pine Hills for a long time. Yeah, no shit. You've been on the road for the last 10 years. Yeah. Actually, further question. Have you showered in that time? Yeah, of course. Why? Nothing. The summer house used to belong to my uncle and aunt, but they went abroad and lost touch with the family, and then Peter came to live here. Well, all he had to do was come to live here. I mean, I did that when I first heard of his missingness. I found some TNT. Let's clear the way quickly. What the fuck are you talking about? You can climb over that. Bring dynamite. Yeah, there we go. What the fuck did you do that for? You know how I am, just a bit of a crazy arsonist. It's closed. We'll have to break the locks. You'll find. Okay, how long? How have I only been playing it 9 minutes? You've got a new generator. There's definitely something useful in it. Watch this. Is that a vibrator? No. Definitely was. How else did you think I came with when my brother sent that message? I just had to merge a couple of toothpicks or whatever, nail files or whatever. You can tell right away Alex Mitchell is on the case. What the hell are you talking about, Alex? Wait, she's Alex, sorry. Just look at all this papers, books, maps. Peter's obsessed with search. But what was he looking for? Or who? Maybe he's looking for his reason to live, you know what I mean? He'd been suicidal for several months. Whatever, just check out this news article. There's a bunch of our news. It's here that mention a secret society. Sure, alright. Yo, fucking treasure. Your brother had a lot of secrets. I guess we need to look around the area. Grab your binoculars, maybe we'll need them. How do you know I have binoculars? You don't think I don't see you outside my window? You don't think I don't see your fucking van parked across the street? Staring at me through my window with those damn binoculars? You think I don't see that? I didn't actually. Sure, there's something stuck in the tree branches. A parachute? Awesome. I got it! A hot air balloon. Okay, I was wrong. Looks like Peter was getting ready for a journey, but his last landing wasn't too soft. What area is he supposed to be based in? I mean, I know people still travel around by hot air balloons, but it's more of like a touristy thing now. Like, no one's like fucking pulling out their hot air balloon to go for like a quick journey, are they? Really? Just gonna go down the store with my hot air balloon. Looks like Peter. Shit, there's even a car in this game. Maybe he believes in like a healthy global future, unlike this bitch, you know what I mean? It's like fucking driving around a shitty van that like belches smoke into like the atmosphere, you know what I mean? Choking out people like who are just trying to stand on the side, wait for them to stand on the side of the road, wait for them to pass. You know what I mean? Trying to go for like a gentle cycle, like, you know what I mean? But then there's like this fucking disgusting smelling shitty van of hers like drives past and like chokes you out. Right, outlaws, here we go. Yeah, whatever, it's good enough. Just smash subscribe. We're done with your videos. Bye!